2025 and beyond. But should anyone be worrying about the sudden weakness that we've seen in the last few trading days?
No, it's great to be on. I think the weakness we've seen over the last few days is a healthy pullback. If you look at the crypto market, big picture, it's run up substantially since the election. We saw a lot of leverage build up in the system, and this is a natural washing out of leverage. There's been about $2 billion of forced liquidations over the last 2 days. This has happened in crypto since its very earliest period. We need to reset the leverage levels, and then we'll build from there. But the long-term drivers are still intact. We're still in a strong bull market. I think Kathy is right about where this is going. We feel exactly the same at Bitwise.
I mean, you are someone who has seen some highs and lows. You understand the volatility in the asset class, Matt. But I'm interested in who is coming to your asset management company. Oh, we've got some exciting music playing on set. They're that thrilled to hear about what you think in terms of institutional money coming now Bitwise's way. Is it still a flood of retail and high net worth individuals? What are you seeing in terms of changes?
Yeah, it's really been both so far this year, but I'm aligned with Kathy in thinking that the institutions have now started moving in size. When you saw the 15 straight days of inflows into the Bitcoin ETFs post-election, I believe that was institutional capital. At Bitwise, every year we survey professional investors and ask them what's keeping them out of the market. And for 6 straight years, they said a lack of regulatory clarity. Well, that regulatory clarity is coming, and that's opened the floodgates to institutions. And I would just say, I think most people underestimate the size of this. BlackRock just came out and said most people should have 1 to 2% allocation to Bitcoin. There's $100 trillion of institutional assets out there. 2% is a lot of investment that still has to happen. We're going to start seeing that really come in 2025.
What's up, bull runners? Today's video is packed with updates that could shake your investment strategy. Brace yourselves because we've got some jaw-dropping news about XRP price predictions, a groundbreaking service from crypto.com, and a cybersecurity alert that you won't want to miss. Today, we'll be covering this article right here where the analysts are buzzing about a potential price surge. According to recent analysis, XRP might hit waves 2 and 5 with targets set at $7 and an astonishing $13. Now, here's the problem. In this volatile market, timing is everything. And crypto.com is stepping up the game for institutional investors. They've just launched a U.S. institutional custody service aimed at securing digital assets for big players. The problem? Institutional investors need trust and security to dive deeper into crypto. Crypto.com's solution provides just that, a fortress for your digital assets. And on to something that's sending chills down the spine of every crypto enthusiast. Hyperliquid Labs has come out to deny any links with North Korean hackers. But cybersecurity experts are raising red flags about potential vulnerabilities. Here's the issue. No platform is ever completely safe. And with North Korea linked to over $1.3 billion in crypto thefts this year alone, we've got to be vigilant. And of course, we'll be taking a look at XRP in the charts today, currently trading at $2.32, up nearly 3% on the day as we record. So if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. And if you're going to be the first millionaire in your family tree, confirm that by smashing subscribe. Before we dive into those articles that are so important we're going to be talking about today, this was the video we watched in the intro. Bitwise Asset Management CIO Matt Haugen attributed the recent crypto market pullback to a natural washing out of leverage. And I know a lot of you guys were freaking out in the comment section, wondering what's going on. As we've been talking about, the higher time frames were still looking very bullish. We're starting to see a move back to the upside. Obviously, subscribe so you can stick with us all the way through this bull run and know when it is topping out. And when it comes to XRP moving to potentially $7 to $13, it's going to take a huge influx of capital, huge amounts of volume coming in. Well, Robinhood and Bitstamp drive XRP ledger into the 1 quadrillion derivatives market. If only 1% of that came into the XRPL, it would be over $10 trillion in tokenized derivatives. XRP is going to make history in 2025.
And if you think about a business or an institutional investor, they also want access to the things we offer. You know, they want 24-hour access to the equity markets, want industry-leading margin rates, a great customer experience. So over time, I do think you'll see us branching more out into serving other types of customers, not just retail, but also businesses and institutions. And, to that end, we announced an acquisition of Bitstamp, a global crypto exchange. One of the things that's very attractive about that business is that it's not just international, but also institutional. It gets us access to an entirely new customer base that we're not directly serving today. I think we can do more and more of that over the next 10 years.
We are launching our own derivatives exchange in the next few months. So that's something we are most excited about and really hope to cooperate closely with Ripple there as well. In final stage of integration of really some top 30 commercial banks globally on Bitstamp as a service. So these commercial banks will offer crypto through Bitstamp. So that's definitely something we are very proud of.
And obviously we follow XRP very closely, but we're talking about the entire crypto market here on this channel. So did Bitcoin reach escape velocity? Take a listen to this.
You bet your life it's not going to zero. I used to tell people it could definitely go to zero to try and be, conservative. I don't think it's possible now. 50 million people in the US own it, 300 million people globally. BlackRock and Fidelity are selling it. Like it really has reached escape velocity.
But you're 745,000. I mean, I heard 13 million from Michael Saylor the other day.
I think it can go, it's going up 3 orders of magnitude since we launched our fund. I think it could go up a fourth. And that puts it at 15 trillion market cap, which it still seems relatively small versus 500 trillion of financial assets. That's doable.
So Dan Moorhead from Pantera Capital says $15 trillion market cap for crypto. Let me know down in the comment section. Do you think that's real? We also know Brad Garlinghouse had been teasing that the crypto market in 2024, before 2025 gets here, was going to be around 5 trillion. Unfortunately, we're going to fall short of that, but that will be coming in the next year. Let's take a look at coin market cap for the overall crypto market health check report. We got market cap currently sitting at 3.44 trillion. It is up 5.14% today. Fear and greed. Now, this is really exciting. Fear and greed sitting at 55, meaning there's a whole lot of movement to the upside that is available to get back into greedy, right? We didn't reach fear. We did do a video just the other day talking about how market sentiment was at its near all-time low for 2024 just 2 days ago. People were not talking about Bitcoin at all on social media. Views on all YouTube channels have been dropping down significantly, but that is what they use when they say blood in the streets, right? Be looking for opportunities to buy the dip. Blood in the streets is when you buy the dip. And there was definitely some serious blood in the streets. I mean, over the last 7 days, things were down 20, 30%. Now, over the last 7 days, we're down. Bitcoin at 7% down, Ethereum 11% down, XRP 10% down. So good transition over today. Bitcoin up 5, Ethereum up 4, XRP up 6.33%. Also, one of the things we've been following is the supply shortage. That's what everyone keeps on talking about. XRP could potentially be going through a supply shortage. Now, we know there's still billions of tokens available, but XRP supply is shrinking. More and more demand coming in for XRP. XRP will explode. This was taken yesterday. Price was trading about $2.20. This line here is the total supply according to Crypto Quant. So down in the comment section, before we start freaking out about this, though, the graph indicates that there are still billions available. Let's not forget how hard it would be to have a short-term supply shock in this situation. I thought this post was pretty hilarious myself. So Rothmus posts out a retweet of consulting humor. CNBC, they put out a budget from 2018 where the typical monthly spending was $2,700. The budget breakdown of a 25-year-old who makes $100,000. Dining out, $250 a month. Utilities, $195 a month. Transportation, $130 a month. Cell phone, $40 a month. House cleaner, $30. Internet, $20. Rent, $825. Donations, $615. Groceries, $400. And health insurance, $270. Now, in reality, there is a couple of different categories in here that you could definitely just add a 1 in front of, and it's going to jump up significantly. Rent is probably better at $1,800. I live in Southern California. Average rent for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath is like 2,500, 3,000. So you're not getting an 800. You might be renting somebody's room or renting a couch from somebody. But it is hilarious how they put these out there trying to downplay what inflation is. Some more breaking news just in. Russia announces a 6-year ban on cryptocurrency mining, citing energy shortage, which is interesting because they just announced a cryptocurrency unbanning as a whole, but they're just talking about the mining here. And the new Bearable Guy 123 Christmas post is here. So I know that a lot of you guys that have been following along are very excited about decoding this upcoming Bearable picture. Let me know down in the comments section if you've got any decodes that you're running with. Let's go over and take a look at the $13 XRP prediction. A crypto analyst has set an ambitious target of $7 to $13 for XRP price, basing his predictions on the Elliott wave theory. The Fibonacci levels, according to the analyst chart, wave 2 and 5, could push XRP to these key targets, making all-time new highs for the cryptocurrency. XRP price has been in a rather lengthy consolidation trend, halting its previous price momentum, hitting the $2.50 mark, despite facing bearish trends and a drop to $2.20. A crypto analyst on TradingView, Zerp Crypto, has shared a bullish forecast for the popular altcoin. According to the analyst, XRP could experience a significant pricing increase between $7.40 and $13.50. The analyst based his bullish predictions on XRP's recent price action and the Elliott wave theory, a technical analysis tool that identifies predictable patterns in crypto prices and helps forecast market trends. So we can see here wave 1, wave 2 was the correction down back to 25 cents. Wave 3 putting us all the way up at the potentially $10 mark here. Obviously, we're currently sitting here at the 220, 230 section. After reaching this $7, $8 range, a small pullback into the 550 before taking off to the upper level of the Elliott wave, wave 5, bringing his prediction to the line right here, which is $13.53. Now, he does also have another target all the way up here at $27.40. Zerp Crypto shared a 2-year XRP price chart from 2014 to the present, labeling wave counts. The analyst chart indicates that XRP is currently in the middle of wave 3, signaling a potential upward move. With wave 2 already complete, Zerp Crypto anticipates that wave 3 could trigger a strong price rally, potentially propelling it to $7.40 after reaching wave 3 target. A minor pullback is expected in wave 4, allowing the market to consolidate for XRP's final push towards wave 5. In this last wave, XRP could raise to $13.50 and potentially surge all the way as high as $27.40. So we are about halfway through leg 3. In addition to the Elliott wave theory, Zerp Crypto's predictions and grounded in Fibonacci levels, the projected $7.40 and $13.50 price targets align with the 4.236 and the 8.618 Fibonacci extension levels, respectively, reinforcing the analyst's bullish outlook. So here we have the 4.236 and then the 16.618. And what's interesting, we did this just recently as well on the channel, taking a look at XRP here. We went from the previous high that we're sitting at for quite some time, the $1.90 plus over there, to its previous swing low, which just happened, to where we're at now. We got super close, and it's probably going to definitely hit that level of that first Fibonacci extension level here at $3 exactly. So when you take the previous high to the most recent low, it gave us a $3 target here. Now, what is interesting, price ran away from that previous high, came back and tapped it once, and also last week twice, giving us a double tap on the previous high, now making its way to the upside. We also covered just a couple of days ago the fact that the weekly candle, the 3-day candle, and the daily candle all closed. So there's a lot of great scenarios happening here. So this is the 3-day. We can see we never lost the 10 exponential moving average. This week kicking off, there's 1 day, 5 hours left in this 3-day candle, making its move to the upside. Money flow still pouring into the upside with the green. We do have a red dot that happened on December 8th, and it had started coming down with the momentum wave. So now it's exciting with this momentum wave going to the upside. Today's candle, this 3-day candle, the next 3-day candle. We could then see another green dot down at the bottom section here. And you can see what happened on the 3-day charts last time the green dot happened. That was actually the kickoff of our first leg to the upside. That was down at 54 cents. When we take a look at our daily chart, we were also talking about this, how the VWAP was starting to curl up and around. It needs to cross over the 0 line, which would be great. The momentum wave today just turned green. This starts to flip back above the 0 line. What happened last time we flipped above the 0 line? We went from this level here, which was down at 54 cents, and rode that thing all the way up to the top here, which also coincides with the Fibonacci level of the 0.5, broke the 0.5, ran up above, tapped off the 786, came back down, retested the 618, pushed all the way through up to its new all-time high of $2.80, just missing that full extension, which is where we're headed now. Also on top of that fib extension, besides just getting to $3, the next level of the extension here for this chart is $4.63, $6.30, $7.41 for the full fib extension. Crypto.com launches institutional custody. We've been talking about how Coinbase has been receiving tons and tons of XRP, huge amounts, because remember, Coinbase does have institutional custodial services. Now Crypto.com is launching this as well. Crypto.com launched their institutional crypto custody service in the United States as part of a broader plan to expand its presence in the country, the crypto exchange said on December 3rd. Dubbed Crypto.com Custody Trust Company, the chartered trust is eligible to custody assets for U.S. institutions and high net worth individuals, Crypto.com said. This step reflects our confidence in North American market. It also advances Crypto.com's roadmap for building our business and presence in two of the most important and active crypto markets in the world, the US and Canada. So this is a list of the regulated crypto businesses in the United States. And as we can see, Coinbase is in there. Robinhood Crypto is in here. Ripple Markets is in here. But Crypto.com not there yet. So they're working on that. They would like to become a trusted partner in the United States. Regulated digital asset custodians are proliferating in the United States. In September, BitGo, a U.S. crypto custodian, launched a regulated platform designed to custody and manage native tokens for Web3 protocols. In August, Cointelegraph reported that Fireblocks, best known for its self-custody treasury management products, obtained approval from New York's financial regulator custody assets for U.S. clients. And other institutional crypto companies, including Coinbase Custody Trust, Fidelity Digital Assets, and Anchorage Digital NY, are also similarly licensed. So exciting news for Crypto.com. We'll see if they get approved. I know that they've been in talks already with Donald Trump. After one of the most successful airdrops in crypto history, Hyperliquid was doing phenomenal, but now some FUD is starting to spread. Hyperliquid Labs denies DPRK hack links, but experts warn of potential vulnerabilities. In a statement shared on Discord, Hyperliquid Labs clarified that no vulnerabilities have been disclosed by any party and invited the white hat hackers to submit bug reports as part of their ongoing bug bounty program. On December 23rd, a large holder of Hype tokens sold 1 million units following rumors that North Korean hackers have been involved in trading on the Layer 1 blockchain. MetaMask developer Taylor Monahan suggests that hackers potentially linked to the infamous Lazarus Group might be testing for vulnerabilities. Her comments sparked backlash from the crypto community, with many accusing her of spreading FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Hyperliquid, igniting heated debates on social media. However, prominent figures such as Polygon CISO Mant Gupta came forward Monahan's defense. In a post on X, Gupta expressed support for Monahan's recommendation to improve securities and decentralizing multi-signatory permissions and addressing potential central point of failure. Hyperliquid Bridge is controlled by 3 of 4 hot wallet multi-sigs managed by a single binary. I'd advise them to increase this threshold to eliminate the single point of failure instead of attacking security researchers. If they need help, SEAL will still gladly help. North Korea and the Lazarus Group. North Korea has gained global attention for its involvement in cybercrime, potentially in the cybersecurity space, where state-backed hackers have targeted exchanges, decentralized finance platforms, and cryptocurrency wallets to fund its regime's activities. The Lazarus Group, a cybercrime unit with direct links to North Korea, is widely considered to be behind many of the operations. The group is notorious for its sophisticated hacking tactics, often involving phishing, malware, and ransomware. They are believed to operate under the control of North Korea's Ministry of State Security. And if you are still new to crypto, or even if you're an OG in crypto, but you need to get some more information about security, don't forget to head over to bullrunners.com, www.bullrunners.com. Join our Altcoin Pro University and go through our ironclad crypto security strategy to make sure you lock in your gains and not lose them to any malicious actors out there. In fact, just 38 minutes ago, one of our top analysts came out, protect your wallet from spam transactions. What are spam transactions? Spam transactions are a common tactic in the crypto space where illiquid, low market cap tokens, often referred to as shite coins, appear in your wallet without your consent. The goal is to trick you into interacting with the token, leading you to phishing sites designed to drain your wallet. Spotting the difference, not all unsolicited tokens are spam. Some may be small airdrops, about $10 or whatever, meant to distribute tokens widely, but most are malicious. How to handle spam tokens: do not interact with them. Avoid clicking, swapping, or even researching these tokens directly from your wallet. Enable wallet filters. Some wallets, like Phantom, allow you to filter spam automatically. Manually report spam. If using Phantom, you can click on the token, select more, click report spam. This will hide the token and prevent from accidental interactions. Stay safe. Always double check your URLs and avoid external links from unknown tokens. A moment of caution can save your entire crypto. So if you would like this type of information coming to you nonstop and a huge group of people helping and supporting each other, head on over to www.bullrunners.com and join our team today. Join now while you can for $97 a month. The price is going up to $197 in January, so grandfather yourself in for $97 now, or lock in for your yearly option at $970 for the entire year. That will be going up to $1970. What is included? You get 100 plus curated classes, as you saw. For example, the security class. We do live weekly calls, daily market updates, altcoin picks, tech analysis, DeFi yields, airdrop alerts, and a global community. We have over 1,000 members interacting and helping each other find and learn about crypto. Learn to maximize your opportunity in crypto while minimizing your downside. Click the link down in the description today. Get started now. All right, jumping back to XRP charts, I did want to show you something else. If we remember back when we created this new all-time high, $3.31, I want to take a look at this candle right here, the December 1st, 2017 candle. We can see where it peaked out at, and it peaked out at $2.47. Ever since then, we've been struggling. We need to get above that level and maintain that as a support so we can then move to our next level up here. We have this high of obviously $3.31, but the $2.47 has been a problem for us. As you can see, we broke above it on our first run to the upside, and we have struggled to maintain above that level. So over the next couple of days, we surge to this level and we create an actual support there. It gives us a lot more ability to continue the bull scenario for XRP. And as we jump over to our spider line page here, spider line charts, all of these lines come to us historically from the previous all-time high. This is the 3-day spider lines chart. And as you can see right now, we have the support level here of the $2.20. It had dipped below it, but it got back and regained that as a support. Our next level of interest can be $3.37, then moving up to this $2.50 level. So now that the dip has been bought, price is starting to go back up, but obviously there's more dip to buy because we are not back above our previous all-time high. So a lot of you guys out there wondering, well, how can I find more capital to put into this market? My budget's fully extended. I don't have a side hustle. I don't know what to start. Well, we took the time to find something that works for you. So check this out.
Hey bull runners, this is super time sensitive, especially if you're looking to stack more crypto before the bull run is over. Did you know that Visa and MasterCard lost a $5.5 billion class action lawsuit for imposing unfair fees on merchants and business owners? So if you own a business or if you know any business owners that process payments with Visa or MasterCard between 2004 and 2019, that's 15 years, you could actually be owed a refund of 1 to 1.5% of your total revenue from that period. That's a lot of money. For example, this business that generated $1.6 million in credit card revenue during those years is getting back $28,000. This business that generated over $7 million is getting back $93,000. And this business that generated over $20 million during those years is getting back over $320,000. That's money they didn't even know was on the table. And all they did was fill out a form through the link below this video. It literally takes less than a minute to see if you qualify, but you don't want to wait too long because the deadline to file is February 4th, 2025. So the sooner that you fill out the form below, the sooner that you can reclaim what's rightfully yours. Plus, if you don't have a business, you can actually earn 3% by referring businesses that do qualify by creating your affiliate account through the link below. So this is a no-brainer way to get money back in your pocket to use for your business, or if you want to use it for crypto or other assets to invest in, you can do that. So click the link below. Let's get you paid.